Okay, fifth graders, so for your homework tonight, you're gonna want to make sure that you have your name on it. You're also gonna want a calculator, so go grab those things. Go grab a calculator quick if you don't. Those of you still working with me, make sure you've got your name on it because there's no spot for name, and kids tend to forget if there's no line. Okay. And then, as we talked about in class, we're going to need to know that word mean. Remember that poem, Hey Diddle Diddle, the median's the middle. You add then divide for the mean. So for mean, we're going to be adding and dividing. So it does say to show their work. And oh, we better read our title up here. Remember, a title and a heading are the same thing. 2 students kept a record of the number of hours they spent watching TV for 5 weeks. And our title, that was really it right here, functional skills. Mathematics level 2 worksheet, mean, median, mode, and range. So we're going to need to know mean and range on this one. Which student has the largest mean time watching TV per week? We're going to look at student A first. Student A is the dark one, and I can see a 21. So I'm going to write 21. I know this is a little bit blurry. This copy didn't turn out so well. And I see 26. And I see 24, and this one looks exactly 25, and this one is another 25. So we need to add all of those up. Get your calculators ready here. +21 plus, gotta find my plus here, how come I miss it? Plus 26 plus 24 plus 25 plus 25, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I did 5 of them, equals 121. We're not done yet. We're just partway there. Now we need to do divided by the number of numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets of numbers. So we're going to do 121 divided by 5, and we get 24.2 for that student. And let's mark this one. This was student A. And then we'll mark student B's. And student B, it looks to me like the first one was a 23. And the next one a 24. And our next one a 27. And our next one right here, 23. And our last one right here, 26. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to add all of these up. So go get your calculator if you don't have it. 23 plus 24 plus 27 plus 23 plus 26 equals 123. So we'll write our 123. We're going to divide by our number of numbers again, which was 5. I'm sure it still is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll find out student B's mean divided by 5 equals 24.6. So there's our work. Now it says which student has the largest mean time, and that would be student B. So we'll just kind of put a little box around it that student B has the most, and we showed our work. Alright, we're on to the second question. These probably should be a 1 and a 2. I'm going to do it that way. Question 1, question 2. Which student has the largest range of time watching TV? Our range is going to be our maximum minus our minimum. So we're going to look just for student A to begin with. Student A is the dark color. So looking at our graph, which one is our maximum? Looks like our largest number is right here. We can even look at our data set here, and 26 was our maximum. And our minimum, our smallest number that we came up with, was 21. We can use a calculator, or better yet, use your brain. 26 minus 21 is going to equal 5 for our range. And student B, we'll do the same. Student B will find our maximum, which was 27. We'll subtract our minimum. We have two 23s, they're both their minimum, so we'll just take one of them. Use your brain or use a calculator and you get a range of 5. So the second question said which student had the largest range of time watching TV, and the largest range was right there, and that was student A. That's it. Whoops, I'm going to move this up so you can see. Sorry. That's it. Thanks for working with me today.